Okay, so it's Monday and we're almost to 7:50 a.m. macro. Okay, now it's pre-market.
But right here on the 1 hour chart, you can see we have a weak lower and then we have relative equal high. That's why I'm saying okay, it's a very nice for price to move higher.
Okay, now looking. Okay, so right here, you can see on the 5-minute chart, we have this fair value gap. So seeing for higher price. Okay, 1 minute. Stop loss on. Okay, I'm buying right here. The stop loss will be right below this low. Taking profit right at the short term high. Okay, yes, made a higher high. Actually, I'm saying for higher price. Okay, first off, price already reached for this short-term high, short-term low, sorry, and then we move up. Okay, now here's the rejection block. So I'm seeing how price react to the rejection block. Because on the 5-minute chart, like what I said, I was seeing this right, and then we got the expansion higher, which is nice. Okay, so I'm submitting to my logic right here. Okay, here's a 7 a.m. And it's a very modest risk. I'm okay with this trade. But on the next candle, I want to see it expand higher. Okay, we got fair value gap here. I want to see this fair value gap full price. Okay, but it's the macro time. Almost the macro time already. Okay, we do have this pre-market highs. I want to see price use it and send price higher. Okay. So I want to see price support. Now down to a 5-minute chart. You can see this is also a 5-minute high. And clear my stop loss right here. Okay, so let's see how where is it on the 5-minute chart. Okay, it's okay on the 5-minute chart right there. So on 5-minute chart we can form a BC. We can wait to form a BC right here, then it start moving higher. Okay, just submitting the price now. No feelings attached. Okay, even though if it breach my stop loss, it's okay. Risk is good. Okay, now does ES spike up? Okay, ES, let's take the higher high while ES has not done so. Okay, we do have a VI right there. Okay, I would like the idea if this BC is not filled. Okay. Okay, like 15-minute high also. My stop loss is at a proper place. That's what I believe. Okay. ES made the higher high, already taken out a 15 minutes high. Okay, does ES continue supporting and moving higher? That is very important to me now. If you are bullish, price should be hold in place. Okay, very well. It's very normal for retracement. But what I want to see is after how does price take out this low? That is very important to me. Okay, I want to see price just touch it and just break through it. It's okay. So if price break through it, I want to see price start moving higher. Okay. Because on a 5-minute chart, okay, we are that close to the high already. If it doesn't break it, means we don't want to break the high first, which means we are going to be looking for a retracement. Okay, so far ES is not helping here. Since ES is not spiking higher. Okay, this point I'm just going to reduce my risk furthermore. Okay, now it's a risk-free trade. Okay, I want to see ES. Okay, ES should start spiking. If it's not going to move, my trade's in trouble. Okay, ES showing signs of moving high now. Still okay. My stop loss is to reach 3 already, no problem. Okay, so far you can see it's balanced, very balanced price, which we are supporting off it. Okay, you can see we are supporting off it. And I want to see price support off this high and move higher if you're going to move higher. So a lot of time distortion here. Okay, but based on the 15-minute chart, you can see I was saying about this low, right? So I'm really seeing for this high to be red. Very high resistance. Okay, once again rated this high. Okay, now you can see we move lower. Okay, at this point we spike up. Okay, I'm closing my position because of the spike up. And that's the whole business. I'm contented with enough, contented with the profits, okay? So yes, though I am seeing for higher price based on the 15-minute chart, like I'm really seeing for price to move up today. But you know what is in my mind is like, if based on the daily chart, I was just trading based on internal liquidity, okay? So 2, 3, 7, 10, okay, and we still have 9:30 news. Okay, we got 9:30 and we don't have news today, so it's only pre-market and it's almost over for my break time. So nice expansion, but I definitely will take profits right here also. Okay, so this is the whole business. And yeah, I now doesn't matter. I have a free outlook now. Okay, doesn't matter. But you can see very nice expansion. Did ES have the expansion? No. See what ES did? That is not a nice trade to hold on to already. Okay, so yeah. So now if I held on to my trade, where will I put my stop loss? So currently I went long at 237. Here, right on this candle, right? Okay, I went long right here, somewhere around here. I went around here. A little bit higher. So basically, my trade I was just going long based on the order block here, and based on consolidations here, and we move, we close above the 5 minute BC, okay, and then we have buy sides here. Okay, I was trying to take my profits here, and yeah, because of what ES, okay, nice ES also pump up. Okay, but definitely I just took my profit right here. Right here was my take profit, so it's around 12. Okay, so it was doing the 7:50 AM macro also. But will I still say will continue holding this trade? No, I will not. Okay. But definitely, if I continue to hold it, okay, let's say she'll offer another 6 handles, which is 18 handles, and she will offer me 36 handles on one contract. Okay, but what like I say, what I like about this trade, the risk was small. Okay, so I had my stop loss. My stop loss right at here. Okay, so it was only a 8.25 handle. Okay, so overall this trade was really nice. Okay. I'm just gonna screenshot this. You know. Okay, so yeah. What's next is to log out.
Okay, so it was a Monday. It is Monday today, so now it's after me taking the trade. Okay, so it's Monday. It's CPI week today, so we only trade like for Mondays. Trade on pre-market. Okay, pre-market is 7:30 a.m. to 8:30. So now it's my break time. I break at around 7:40 something. Okay, which is a good time. Which because I was seeing okay, I'll wait until 7:30. Okay, so for this trade, it was a high resistance one as you can see, and it was around 7:50 AM macro, which I was expecting price to move up. Okay, so yeah, high resistance because you can see the ES wasn't even matching up with Nasdaq, and yes, I am seeing for even higher price. Okay, but I'm using my phone only. Okay, so what I'm doing is I was trading based on internal liquidity, okay, and trading based on the time is only pre-market. Okay, and that's it. I just and it's only one contract, but for this trade, like I said, I was really comfortable taking this trade is because you can see the risk was really small. It's around 30 to 34 ticks or something like that. Okay, so I could have scaled in with another contract, but again it's August. Okay, so if I'm going to trade for Monday, I'm going to trade during pre-market. Okay, because this is what I realized, like during last week my losing trade, it wasn't really time for me, like it wasn't the optimum time to trade. That is what I will say. Okay, so now I'm thinking like, okay, pre-market, CPI, Monday, which is the best time to trade, and I'm going to focus around that time. And here is it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this trade review. See you guys in the next one.